So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. Hello. And if you are returning, welcome back. So, oh my gosh, as you can see by the thumbnail, I am just as surprised at making this video as you probably are at seeing it. I know, a little cryptic, but if you want to know what this whole thing is all about, other than obviously the Jeffree Star Beautylish surprise grab bag for February 2022 and all the other stuff that goes with it, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes. Oh my goodness. All right, so first, just let me say, if you are new, my name is Stephanie. I am what they consider the host around here. This is not my normal background. We are in the middle of switching the whole room around. It's going to be quite different, but for now we are with this, just a couple videos until it gets done. Definitely not my normal lighting. I do have more lighting coming, just so you know, so better quality videos, the whole nine. So if you want to know what we do here, if you are new, this is a beauty channel. It's a real life beauty channel. I say real life because what can happen usually does happen. But over here, we roll with it. We tackle it. We try to get through it, and we learn from it with a smile on our face whenever possible. And trust me, there's a lot that happens over here. On the more serious note, I say real life beauty because I don't have all the answers, but I am also willing to learn. So if you like unboxings, anything to do with cosmetics, skincare, hair care, hauls, shopping, basically anything to do with beauty, this is a positive channel where we promote positivity in every way, whether that be, helping someone with self-esteem, finding self-esteem even. I struggle with that myself. It's not easy getting up here in front of everyone. So yeah, I say come with me and join the family. I do not like that S word down there, but you can smash that and you will be part of the family. It's so much nicer. Can you please give the video a thumbs up? That would really help your girl out. Very free way to grow the channel and, all that stuff. Also the bell. Bell is very important. I know everybody else says it, but this is really important, and I'll tell you why. Because I've been recently sick. My schedule's wonky. I don't normally post in the middle of the night, and I don't normally put 2 videos up in one day either, guys. But like I said, I'm a little backed up, and I am trying, darn it, to resume my Advent unboxings. That's right. We are having Christmas in February. It's real life over here. Things happen. Listen, guys, I am goofy. I will be the first to admit that. I'm a whole lot of crazy and a little bit nuts, but in the best possible way. And if I can make you laugh, if I can make you smile, if I can take you away from the world for just a little while, then you know what? It's all worth it. I laugh at myself all the time. Like all the time. Talk to myself too, but that's okay. This is a family and I treat it as such. Now that I was able to get the formalities out of the way, let me just tell you, holy moly, I am the very last person to think that I would be sitting here holding this box, guys. No joke. I resigned myself to the fact that I'm not getting any of the mystery boxes, and I'm definitely not getting the Beautylish box, even though they are, in my opinion, sometimes better than the mystery boxes. Just saying, sometimes. Because I'm on a no bye-bye. So Monday night, before I went to sleep, I was sitting there saying, should I get it? Oh my God, that was, because I watched an unboxing, and it was a pretty good one, and I was like, I don't have any of those things. I was like, nope. So I was literally grappling with myself, literally saying, do I get it? Don't get it. Ultimately, I stayed strong and I said, nope. And I went to sleep. Well, I got up, middle of the night, about 4 o'clock, I guess I want to say, used the bathroom, came back, went to sleep. I get up at around 8, doing my thing. I finally get to my emails in the late afternoon, and I'm scrolling through, and all of a sudden I see, ordered confirmed, thank you for your purchase. And I'm like, what did I purchase? I'm gonna know bye. So I click on it, and sure enough, it's from Beautylish. And I'm like, at first I thought maybe Tito bought it. He wasn't here, and I called, and he's like, no, I didn't. What are you talking about? So I knew right away he didn't do it. So as I'm thinking in my head, geez, I really have to cancel this. As I'm on the phone, I'm scrolling. I get a tracking number the same day. I went back and checked this all out. The confirmation email came like 4:30, and then the tracking number came 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Guys, they got it out the same day. So there was no taking it back. And here's how it happened, and it's happened before. Your girl is a sleep shopper. If you think that can't happen, perfect prime example, okay? I have done this before. I have ordered something and not even remembered until it showed up because I never saw the email. I have seen emails that I'm like, what? And I've had to cancel things because it didn't ship yet. Thank the Lord. But no, not this one. It came. Matter of fact, I'm having a Jeffree Star giveaway. Okay. So I have enough to do my giveaway. I didn't need anything else. I'm not a collector. I get what I think I'm going to use. And the rest I give away, like if I get a mystery box. Very rarely do I make a purchase. I mean, come on, guys. I wasn't even on the 12 days of Christmas. You know what I mean? So not saying I don't like Jeffree Star. We're not here for him, okay? We're just here for the makeup, seriously. Because sometimes he drives me crazy. You know, just saying. But he does make good makeup. But I pretty much have everything I need. Anywho, let's go ahead, get into it. I have not opened it. It is still sealed. And it came super quick, guys. It was Monday night, early Tuesday morning. Well, 4 a.m. Tuesday morning. And it's Thursday when I'm filming this. Thursday night, actually. I just got done doing a live. Oh, and by the way, if you did not see it, it did not get notified, what have you. I did put it up kind of late. There is a huge announcement. It is my ice cream beauty unboxing for January. I know, I was late. There was a little bit issue with shipping, but I did sit on it for like 4 days. I tried to get it up, but we had workers. They were cleaning the vents, which should have been done oh so long ago. I'm trying to open this with my nails, and that's not working. All right, so here we go. I have no idea. I did watch a couple spoilers. I've seen many variations. Couple were good, couple not so good. So I'm going to make a prediction before we open this. See, I have the Bloodlust palette, and I have a backup. It was gifted to me, and I will not get rid of that. So I actually have one that I use and one for display. And I've had the O palette, the Orgy, you know. I can't even tell you how many times. So if I get that, I'm going to scream because I couldn't give that away. You know, just saying. Here we go. I don't want to look. I'm afraid to look. I am literally scared to death, which is why I ultimately decided not to get it. But I mean, the good thing about it is if I do get something that I already have or I cannot use, then I will put it in the giveaway. Okay. And I really have every palette that I want and every palette that I'm going to use. And you will see that in a very special thank you video. So anyway, there we have it. We have paper. I don't know. It's the bundle. We have the bundle. I'm going to set this over here. Oh, I have a Beautylish little sample there. When can I ever do a quick unboxing? I have a bin that's filled. And when I say bin, I will insert it here if I can during editing. Filled with items that could possibly be given away. I haven't decided how many winners yet, whatever. So come all, come many, I say. Share the video out, okay, if you can. I would appreciate that. I'm trying to get to 1250. Can I talk tonight? So, we do have the bundle. Okay, I'm not looking. I am not looking. I am not looking. I'm going to just open the bundle. And we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. Let me get a little closer. Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is... Oh, I don't have a Supreme Gloss. Is that the color? Oh, no. Oh, Unicorn Blood. I was so excited about because I don't have a Supreme Gloss. I've never tried it, and I always said that I wanted to get, like, some wearable colors because your girl's a nude girl. You know, I like nude lips. But this is Unicorn Blood, so I don't know. It's pretty dark if it's like the actual lippy, which I'm assuming it is. Yeah, it's dark. It's really dark. That's even brighter than what it actually looks like. I don't know. I don't know. That's a maybe. Oh, we have the Beauty Killer palette. Okay, this is what I was hoping to get because I don't have this. And I can definitely, if I remember correctly by what the color story says, pretty sure I think I can get some use out of this. Oh, it's very pretty on the outside. I do like that. I do like the outside. Okay, so that's cool. Yeah, I could definitely see myself using that. I love that pink. I'm definitely digging the purple, the blue. Oh, and I like the black too. So yeah, I can definitely use that. Cool. All right, I'm happy. This I'm happy about. Okay, so I will be keeping this because this is the one palette that, I mean, I didn't have to have, but if I got it, okay, because I don't have it and I could definitely make some looks with it. These are kind of like my colors, you know what I mean? And we do have this mirror right here. I guess this is what the mirror is. I don't know what kind of mirror. Oh, these are such a pain. I don't want to rip the box. Okay. Guys, I have so many mirrors. I'm the girl who says, why do I need more than one mirror? I have so many mirrors. I am not a mirror collector. So there's going to definitely be a mirror in my giveaway. Maybe a couple. I don't know. Oh, it's pretty. Well, it's very pretty. It's very cute. It's very little. It's very pretty, the shift on it and stuff. Maybe I might keep it because it's very handy, like little, and I can hold it with my left arm because it's kind of hard to hold it with my right. And the other ones I have are kind of big, you know what I mean? But I like them. I like to be able to see my hair when I'm doing my makeup. I don't know. That's a thing with me. I have no idea. Next thing, I can't see. I'm not looking. Just feeling. All right, I have 2 items in my hand. So this is I Gotta Go. I think I have this. If this came in the pig set, then I do have it. So I'll double check. And if I do have it, then this will definitely be going in the giveaway. So this is this green? Crocodile Tears? Is that what I got? No way. Did they give me green? Oh, no, they did not give me green lipstick. Well, they did! I got the Drug Lord last time, and that's okay, but yeah, I don't know about this. I mean, I know they're eye safe, and it could be definitely used as a liner, but if you knew what I just ordered, you would be like, oh no. Like, even though it's Jeffree Star, you would be like, why do you need all that? You know, probably gonna give this away, okay? So far we have the Beauty Killer palette. Digging that. And then we have the gloss in her glossiness. Okay, I don't have this one. I know I don't. Let me see. Okay, we're just going to pop the top there and let you see that color there. I mean, yeah, I don't see myself wearing this gloss at all. It's very gold, and I'm not a very gold person. I'm probably not going to keep it, but we'll see, you know. I mean, it's not a bad box, don't get me wrong. Like I said, I collect things that I will wear. Now, this one is a Crystal Kiss. I think I may have this. Let me look and see. Because if I do, I don't care, because I love it, and I need a backup. So, yes. If I have this, I'm keeping this one because I love this, and I want to have a backup. So far, Beauty Killer and the gloss. Okay, let me stick my hand in here and see if there's anything else. I don't know what. Oh, no. No, 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 no. How did I know? You know, I almost was going to call them and say, hey, do not send me this again, because every single time I buy from you, you put this in my box. I cannot believe this. It was either going to be this or Bloodlust, right? Well, I'm not even going to open it. Y'all know what it looked like. Wow. Okay. Well, you know what? That's the chance you take. But hey, do you want me to put this in the giveaway? Comment down below in this video, and I will go ahead and do that. And in the next video, you will see this in that giveaway. This is not the giveaway video, guys. However, then I'm going to do a really quick one tomorrow because I have to really sort things out. I did not have time. This actually came about 2.5 hours ago, maybe 3 now, by the time I'm sitting down to film. Did not have time to go through the box of all the items I do have to put in a giveaway. I do know right offhand that I have one Pink Religion palette up for grabs. Well, I have that one now. I do have, if I'm not mistaken, a Thirsty palette. If I have 2, I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Anyway, there's some good stuff. And not only that, we have mirrors because I have oh so many and I don't need them. I was gifted a mirror. I will be keeping that one. There's a lot of stuff, guys, that I'm just going to need to like sort out, look at it and say, okay, do I see myself using this? But I can definitely tell you, it will definitely have one mirror. It will have her glossiness. It will have Crocodile Tears for sure. I mean, it makes great eyeliner, I'm sure. If this comes in a pig set, you can count that this is in there, okay? And then that's just like nothing. That is nothing because, again, I have a whole filled up, you know, big one of those. I'm looking at the label on it. It's an 18-gallon lidded bin filled, and then there's some stuff laying around. I know there's, I believe, a bag. There may be some exclusives from his other Jeffree Star mystery boxes that he had. I haven't used it yet, so why not, you know? Anyway, it's going to be a good giveaway. There may be multiple winners. I will put that video up, but thank you for watching my Beautylish. I know there's a million of them out there. All in all, I mean, if you're like starting out, this is definitely a good box. You have neutrals, you have colors, you have some far out there eyeliners, you know. I would have liked to have seen a lip liner. That would have been pretty cool because I don't have any of those. But anyway, I'm not mad. I will end this video with sleep shopping is real, guys. It's not a joke. Like, I do it all the time. And I got to stop. I need something that's going to help me not do this. I don't understand. So thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out with me. If you have not yet hit that button, please do. Become part of the family. Hang out with me. Have a great time. Make sure your bell is on. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up. And I will say to you, if you are going through something, please do not stuff it. Please share about it. Grab a loved one, grab a stranger. Hell, hit me up. I'll make time for you. I always make time for my family. And if you are asked by someone to listen, please say yes, because you could absolutely help them just by letting them vent. And in this crazy mixed up world, and I watched the news today, guys, it is really crazy. Please, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.